How to use the multi-form messages builder. First, click Text. Enter your text and send. A success message will pop up, and a check mark next to the text button means the setup is complete. Click Media, and you can reply a picture, video, round video, voice, GIF, sticker, or file. Please note that if you upload a round video or a sticker, the text and button parts of this message will not be displayed. Media configuration is finished. Click Button. Enter the button name and content according to the format in the prompt. You can also copy the example to the input box and edit it. For example, this now means one button on the first row and two buttons on the second row. Then I change these button name to my preferred button name. And the content can be links starting with HTTP or HTTPS, or TG links starting with @ or any other text. Send it after editing. The button update is successful. This message content is now complete. You can choose whether to use the following two buttons based on your needs. The first one is Switch to Multimedia. If you are not satisfied with a message containing only one media item, you can click Switch to Multimedia button to switch to a multimedia message format. Please note that buttons cannot be added after switching to multimedia mode. For detailed steps, please refer to our previous multimedia message tutorial. I'll post the tutorial link in the comments. The second option is Use Module. Module are preset messages content that can include text, media, and buttons. You can send the Start command to your bot and find the module option to configure it. For detailed steps, please refer to our previous tutorial on module. I'll post the tutorial link in the comments. Once you have created a module, click Use Module to directly apply its preset message content. Please note that once you use module, it will cover your currently edited message. After completing all settings, click the Preview this message button to preview the message. Let's test the button functions. Clicking button 1 will go to the preset link. Clicking button 2 will go to the preset bot. And clicking button 3 will simply send the preset text. If you want a button to trigger another complete message with text, media, and buttons upon click, you can set the module for the button. You need to enter content in the format MSG:module name when configuring the button content. Here, the module name refers to the name of your preset module. For example, if you have created a module named Help, simply enter MSG:help. Now, when I click this button, the entire preset help module message will be sent automatically.